know, 99% of entrepreneurs and marketers will fail to make money with AI and ChatGPT in 2023? Even though millions of entrepreneurs and marketers will try to use AI and ChatGPT, only the truly lucky ones will have breakthroughs, experience success, and even reach new heights with their businesses. But nearly everyone else will be left with no traffic, no sales, and no money in their pocket. You're being misguided. Millions of new players are entering the game of online marketing with AI. They're competing with you for traffic, sales, and commissions. Everyone is vying for the same space, a space that won't allow for everyone to succeed. Thus, the competition becomes even more fierce, even more unfair, even more unequal. Even before you know it, AI has taken over your online space, and you can be left standing in the dust, forgotten and unnoticed, unless you take action. But today, I have good news for you. I found a way to skip all the competition, all the hardships and struggles, and bank on a brand new top-secret hyper-effective way to generate traffic, commissions, and sales for your offers and business using AI. If you want to succeed in the era of AI, you have to act differently and smarter. Else you'll be butchered by the competition and even newbies who are already using cutting-edge AI. We took the most powerful and successful traffic strategy ever that's already working and generating us 100,000 visitors per month. We integrated it with the latest AI to make it 100 times faster, easier, and more powerful. And we made sure that there is simply no competition whatsoever in the market, because no one is doing this, maybe a handful, so you can have an absolute advantage. And today I'm going to show you how to tap into this new revolution and dominate AI and ChatGPT like no one else to actually make money. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 150,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions in just the last 4 years. For the last 4 months, I've been searching for the answer to make money online using AI and ChatGPT, but nothing seemed to be working out for me. No matter how hard I tried, my Facebook ads flopped. No one saw my SEO attempts, and YouTube videos ended up with 0 views. It was then that I realized it wasn't because I was doing something wrong. It's because of the sheer competition and complexity of AI. Everyone is using AI to create stunning visuals and content that grabs attention, while bigger businesses have more resources, insights, and teams than ever before. This leaves smaller business owners and entrepreneurs struggling to keep up, with no traffic, sales, or money in their pockets. I knew I needed something different, something more attention-grabbing that would make me stand out from the crowd. I was just browsing through the hottest AI and ChatGPT news online when I came across an article that gave me chills. India welcomes its first AI news anchor, Sana. I was stunned. This AI news anchor was speaking, going viral, and creating tons of traffic. I was like, this is the answer. What if instead of just creating text content for my website, I used AI and ChatGPT to create an attention-grabbing viral face videos that speak, goes viral, and gets tons of traffic just like Sana? Then I was shocked even more to discover 2 similar YouTube Shorts channel and Instagram Reels accounts were going viral online. I thought the train had already left, but as I researched more and more online, I realized that there was literally no one else doing this, maybe a handful. There was a huge opportunity here to create an unfair advantage and monetize that. So with my team, we worked hard to develop an AI app that could quickly generate hundreds of attention-grabbing viral face videos with just a few clicks. We decided to post these videos as YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels because we knew that both platforms were exploding right now and had huge potential. And sure enough, as soon as we posted the videos, we started seeing immediate results. And the best part? I never recorded a video, never used my voice, and I never edited a video. This software actually did it all for me. Introducing Viral Faces AI. Unleash the power of attention-grabbing, revenue-generating AI face videos that speak your message and get tons of traffic and sales from Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to unlock the power of Viral Faces AI and start driving massive traffic and sales effortlessly. Step 1. Create stunning attention-grabbing face images in any niche that will captivate your audience, or upload your own image. Step 2. Craft a script using AI or copy and paste an existing script and turn it into an emotional voiceover with our AI. Customize, edit, modify your video using our powerful tools. Step 3. Upload your AI face video to YouTube, Instagram with our Viral Accelerator feature, and watch the traffic and sales pour in. With Viral Faces AI, You can now create hundreds of captivating and emotionally engaging AI face videos that speak, go viral, and get tons of traffic and sales to your offers. What about traffic? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll show you step by step how to get traffic and start going viral with YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels using Viral Faces AI app. You don't need any followers or subscribers at all. Just follow our simple steps and you're good to go. We have battle-tested these strategies and make them as simple as possible for anyone to follow and get results. Here's some of the awesome benefits you get when you get Viral Faces AI today. 1. Groundbreaking, new top-secret AI face tech. Brings unlimited traffic to your website, blogs, offers, affiliate links, etc. 2. Be ahead of the AI game. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your niche. 3. Exploit YouTube and Instagram favoritism towards shorts and reels to organically push your face videos and take advantage of this traffic explosion now. 4. Get 10 times more sales, reach, followers, and engagement faster than ever before. 5. Stand out, get noticed, and be seen and heard with emotion-grabbing AI face videos that speak. 6. Save tons of time, money, and effort trying out different traffic methods that don't work anymore. 7. Get results quickly without spending hours recording your face or voice or learning complicated editing software. Not just that, we are constantly adding new features to this software, so you'll always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click with Facebook or Google Ads just to acquire a lead, or spending hours and hours trying to generate free traffic with little or no results. Now imagine that you can generate unlimited traffic with just a few videos, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. You can create as many videos as you want, and each video can drive thousands, even millions of people to your website from all over the world. Today you can get access to Viral Faces AI for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we'll be turning the price into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure that we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let this opportunity pass you by or you will regret it later. Viral Faces AI is the best, fastest, and easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. If you don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You'll still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally make some money online. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the Viral Faces AI at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.